Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play Lack of Color on guitar. We'll start by ensuring your guitar is in standard tuning, which is E-A-D-G-B-E. The core of this song relies on just 4 fundamental open chords: C major, G major, A minor, and F major. Getting comfortable with these shapes and practicing smooth transitions between them is your first crucial. Once you're comfortable with the chords, let's tackle the strumming. A versatile pattern for this song is down, down, up, up, down, up. Try to give a little extra emphasis to the very first downstroke in each measure to establish a strong rhythmic foundation. Practicing with a metronome at a moderate pace will help you keep a steady, even rhythm, which is key for the song's feel. Now let's integrate your video into Clone Hero. First, navigate to your Clone Hero Songs folder and locate the specific song you wish to enhance. Place your prepared video file directly into that song's folder. Next, open the songs. INI file with a text editor. Add a line, typically video equals your video file name. MP4, ensuring the file name precisely matches your video. Save the INI file and your video should now be linked. To truly master Lack of Color, consistent practice is essential. Begin by playing at a very slow tempo, focusing on making each chord change clean and precise. Ensure you're pressing down firmly on the strings to get clear, ringing notes without any buzzing. Finally, listen closely to the original recording to internalize the song's unique rhythm and emotional depth, guiding your own performance.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.